Well, after defining the buildings and point source, the next step is to go through different pathways that are shown in the toolbar menu. We will start with control pathway, and here the only thing you need to change is the type of the pollutant you want to focus on, which I already mentioned. We are going to focus on NOx, and in the averaging time options, which you can choose 1 hour and 24 hours. After that, you don't need to change anything, and you can just close this window and move on to the next pathway. The next pathway is source pathway, and here you can see the type of the pollutant and also your point source and the details which we already defined. And other than that, you don't need to change any details, and you're done with this pathway as well. So you can just click the close, and that way you will save all the options that you've already chosen. The next pathway is the receptor pathway, which you want to define the receptor grid, which you want to focus and see what is the pollution concentration in those points. You can easily choose uniform Cartesian grid in the application toolbar and define the area that you want to draw the uniform Cartesian grid, and by left clicking you can draw the uniform Cartesian grid. Then you can right click on that and move it to the different parts of the study area and resize it. And we want the uniform Cartesian grid to be centered exactly at the point that the point source is, which means that we want the center of the grid to be our point source. Alright, now that we have already defined our uniform Cartesian grid, we can once again save the project in order to avoid losing any information and improvements which we have already done thus far. And well, yeah, now you define your receptor pathway as well.